Hello there people, it's the 21st of June 2020 and here you are with Dan in Essex, UK. So today we're going to be doing a garlic harvest. So some of you may be aware that I sowed some garlic last autumn. I'll link the video down below and I'll also put it on the screen at the end of the video if you wish to check that out. So soft neck garlic, variety Cristo. Going to pick it up and what we're going to do is harvest it and you can see what I've got. Okay, so this is the garlic in here. You can see that I just grew them in this container and grew very, very well indeed. So just going to do a little harvest video and we'll see what we've got. Right, so down here, and what I'm going to do is just take my trowel. I'll show you the way I'm going to go about doing this. So there you go, you can see it growing away in this tub. So let's just find some bits of garlic and dig them out. Let's have a look at what we've got. Oh, that's not too bad, is it? One. That's quite small, that bit. It's not a bad one there, is there? Oh, I'm just going to keep going through this and you'll see what I've got. Okay, so this is the garlic harvest. Soft neck garlic, variety Cristo, and you can see just how many there are there. So very, very happy with that. So what I'm going to do is just cut the top off there, or put it off probably, and pull the root off at the bottom. I'll leave them outside for maybe 4 or 5 days or so, and then I'll simply store them in the fridge. When you're storing garlic, you want to store it, about 0 to 4 degrees C, which, putting it bluntly, should be about the temperature of your fridge. So that's where I'm going to store mine anyway. So there you go. That's a harvest of container grown soft neck Cristo garlic. So with regards to these, if you keep them in the fridge, they should last. I've kept homegrown garlic in the fridge for a good, probably about 3/4 of a year before. And what I'm probably going to do is keep some of these anyway, not eat them, and use them, to grow the new garlic from cloves, because these all came from shop bought cloves. So there we go. When I say shop, I don't mean supermarket or greengrocers. I mean actually sort of like ones particularly for propagation. So there we go. So there you go. That's a harvest of garlic. If you like my work, please feel free to like, share and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video. Check me out on Dan_Home Gardens if you're interested. Thanks a lot.